Hi folks, it's Switchback. This video is for anyone who has wanted to hike, backpack, camp, or frankly anything, but hasn't done it. You're waiting for the right time. You want to do more research. Here's what's really holding you back: perfectionism. It's never going to be perfect. Now, we're going to talk about this in the context of backpacking, but this is by no means limited to backpacking. It's so easy to get caught up in the research, looking for the perfect tent, the perfect sleeping bag, the perfect place to go, doing all the training, waiting for the right weather, waiting for the right people to want to go with you. There will never be the perfect time, the perfect situation, the perfect weather. Research what you need to know in order to be safe and go. You simply can't know everything before you get out there. We have a fear of the unknown, and no matter how much research you do, there will always be unknowns. You have to just get out there and learn some things the hard way and actually do it in order to get good at it. You will make mistakes. Even if you've been doing this for 50 years, you're still learning and you still make mistakes. God, I sure make a lot of mistakes. I've been doing this my whole life. I still make mistakes. And I'm still learning all the time. For example, last night I learned I need to take smaller portions when I'm hiking at elevation. Sometimes we just have to force ourselves to go, even when it's not going to be perfect. I will tell you that my gear is definitely still not perfect. Maybe someday, but not likely. I've still enjoyed my trips, and I still continue to go. I've forgotten things, I've taken inadequate gear, I've gotten lost, I've gotten injured, I've gotten scared and anxious, but I still go. It's so easy to procrastinate and tell ourselves we're not ready, instead of accepting ourselves and our gear where they are. We tell ourselves we're too old, we're too fat, we're too out of shape, we don't look like other people we see on the trail, we're too broke, we're too busy, too scared, and too imperfect. We feel overwhelmed and don't even know where to start. You're here, you're starting. Bite off small chunks, one thing at a time, and don't expect to have it perfect before you go. Just take the basics, start somewhere near home, short trail, keep it simple and less overwhelming. It's so easy to feel like it's not a real backpacking trip unless you're hiking the length of the Pacific Crest Trail, and it has to be at least 2,800 miles in order for it to count. And that's bogus. If you hike a half a mile, you set up camp, you sleep out there for the night, and then you hike out, you just backpacked. Whether your backpack weighs 20 pounds or 60 pounds, you still backpacked. Whether you took a chair, you have the coolest sleeping pad, you rehydrated meals, you ate bars the whole time, you cooked from scratch, doesn't matter, you still backpacked. So just get out there. Just get your butt out on the trail. Take yourself where you are and just get out there. I have lots of resources to get you started, and so I'm going to put this playlist up here with backpacking basics, and I really hope I see you out there on the trail. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.